Hi, I'm Angie, owner of Back to Our Roots 222. I'm going to go over everything that we have in our regular heavy metal and parasitic detox kit. Our regular kit comes with a prep tea to get your body ready, the cleanse itself, the activated charcoal, which is your binder, and then 2 repair teas for your system. So first item we have is your prep tea. This will get your body prepared, get everything flowing again. I suggest that you start this 3 to 7 days before you start your cleanse, and then you're gonna finish it, continue on and finish it until it is gone. For the cleanse itself, you have options. It is made up of hyssop, wormwood, clove, black walnut hull, and fennel. What's nice about the cleanse is you can choose from 3 options. You can get it in capsule form, tincture form, or you can get it in tea form. For your binder, we use activated charcoal. Comes with a little wooden spoon. Now the binder is very important because while you're taking the cleanse, toxins and everything are going to start being released. This binder will take it and grab everything and get it out all together. This kit is nice because it comes with 2 repair teas. You have your leaky gut and you have your liver cleanse. Both your gut and your liver are going to be going through a lot when you go through this detox. This will come back and help to repair it. We're all doing this detox because we want to feel better. So we're going to have to change our lifestyle up just a little bit. While you're doing this detox, stop the sugar, processed foods, and dairy as much as you can. It's suggested that you do a detox 3 to 4 times a year to keep yourself healthy and to keep ahead of them. This is a great detox kit. It's using all herbs, natural herbs, to help heal and to get rid of heavy metals and parasites.